The best investment strategy throughout history, when people have printed money, is to own real assets, commodities, silver, rice, real things. Here, you take this home. This is sugar. The price of sugar is going to go up. You remember the ruble, the old ruble, the CCCP ruble? It became worthless because they just kept printing it. And so anybody who had gold or rice or real things came out of that okay. If the world economy gets better, I don't think it is, but if it does, the big shortages of everything, and so real assets will go up, oil, wheat, cotton, silver, whatever. If the world economy does not get better, they're going to print a lot more money, so I own mainly real assets.
And in what form?
I mainly own indexes, because if you're very good at buying specific commodities, you'll make a fortune. But most people are not really good. Most people, the studies show that most people are better off buying an index, whether it's stocks or bonds or current, whatever. You're better off buying an index because an index will outperform most active managers. But there are many ways. You can buy individual commodities. You can buy stocks of companies which produce commodities. You can buy stocks in commodity countries. Australia will do better than Belgium in the stock market, the Belgium stock market. The Canadian stock market will do better than the US stock market. There are many ways you can buy the currency. The Canadian dollar will do better than the US dollar. There are many ways to participate. The bull market in commodities will end someday. It always has. No bull market in anything has gone on forever. The average commodity bull market has lasted 18, 20 years in the past. And this one will end too, I guarantee you. I don't know when, but it's not going to end now because we don't have new supply coming on stream. Nobody's discovered a gigantic new oil well, an oil field in over 40 years. All the great oil fields in the world are in decline now. The last lead smelter built in America was built in 1969. There's been one lead mine opened in the world in the past 25 or 30 years. Farmers, the average age of farmers in America is 58. In Japan, it's 66. In Canada, the average age of farmers is the oldest in recorded history. We don't even have any farmers. So the world's facing big shortages of all commodities, and until a lot of supply comes on, the surprise is going to be how high the price of commodities stays and how high it goes, including oil. Now, if Spain goes bankrupt, the price of everything is going to go down for a while. The markets will be in shock. Or if Greece withdraws from the euro, or many, many shocks like that. Yes, prices can go down, but if the price of oil goes to 80 US dollars, I would urge you to buy all the oil you can, because over the next decade or so, the price of oil and rice and silver and all commodities is going to go much, much higher, unless the world comes to an end. But if the world comes to an end, they're going to print money. Oh, wow.
Russian.
Wow. Is there any mustard? Oh, wow. Thank you.
Russian hospitality.
I should come to Russia more. I don't have investment. I only invest, indirectly I do invest in Russia. I invest in commodities. Russia is a commodity country. You don't make many TVs or cars or computers, but you do have a lot of commodities. I own commodities. I own very few stocks anywhere in the world because the reasons I told you. I don't see stocks as a great place to be. Well, you'll have to ask those people why they invest in Russia or why they don't invest in Russia. You heard what they said. They said they're not going to invest in Russia because they don't trust the Russian government. What you have to do is you have to make people feel secure. Where's the Kremlin? Go over there to the Kremlin, or go over there and tell them that people don't feel safe investing in Russia. People feel safe investing in Germany because they know that the German government is not going to take their money away from them. People are worried about Russia because they think the government might take their money away from them. Go right over there and tell them.